Hi, my name is Moira, and I'm reviewing the 5/8 inch foam kids and gym floor mat. I've had this product in my kids' playroom for the last 3 years, and it has held up to cats. It has held up to 2 kids, and it still looks great and functions great. We've been so happy with the product, and it was so easy to install. It clicks together super easily. You just have to push the pieces together, and it's really great because if a tile gets damaged, you can just take one out and swap it. It's so easy, and we love it so much. We have the forest green and the navy blue colors, and my kids have a blast pretending that it's islands and water. It's been a great product for us.